Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you're new here, this is Spring with Spring Soulful Home, and in today's video I am decorating my front porch for the fall. And on this Saturday morning we had some beautiful rainy fall weather, so I hope you enjoy as I take you along on our day. This beautiful Saturday morning started off with rainfall, which was amazing and brought all the fall vibes. And for this beautiful fall Saturday morning, I made some pumpkin waffles, and you can find this recipe down in my description box or also on my Pinterest page at Spring Soulful Home. And these waffles are absolutely amazing. Today's fall video is in collaboration with a very sweet YouTube friend. She is a mama, wife, and also has an amazing YouTube channel called the Mugglebees. Her videos are so beautiful and inspiring. She's also decorating for fall and baking a beautiful pear pie. The link to watch her video is in my description box. Let her know I sent you, and I'm sure you'll love her videos just as much as I do. So for this wreath, I had used this last year, and I just wanted to add in a few things. I did notice a few spots that seemed a little bit bare, so I am just using some leftover faux greenery that I had. These colors, they have more orange colors, so I thought I would just take that outside. And so I am just using some pine cones and also some leftover picks. They were bought either from Walmart or Hobby Lobby last year. And then I'm also just using some little fall leaves, just tucking them in where there are some bare spots on this wreath. And I just wanted it to look a lot more fuller. And I am very pleased with the way this came out. So once I was done putting together my wreath, I saw it was still raining outside, and I just decided to hop in the car with my children and take a ride up to the mountains. It's about a 7-mile drive from where we live, but the view was just absolutely amazing. So now we're home from the drive and it is still raining, but I want to show you what I got this year. I got a new mat and this cute little pumpkins bucket from Hobby Lobby, leftover foliage from last year, bought a couple new mums, pillows are from last year, new pumpkins, and then those cute little squirrels, got those from Hobby Lobby. And I bought a hay bale and this cute little bucket to put our mums in. And then I already bought mums previously, but I did have to get those planted, and my porch definitely needs cleaning. Wasn't able to do a whole lot with it raining so much, but before I got started, I wanted to wash off our pumpkins in some dishwater with Dawn, and then I added just about half a cup of bleach just to let them sit and soak. You know, they were very dirty, and I did read somewhere on Pinterest that when you wash your pumpkins that they do tend to last longer, so thought I'd do that. And I have to admit, this is very satisfying, seeing your pumpkins in your sink filled with dishwater just look so cute. So I had to take a few pictures. I will definitely share those on Instagram. You can find me there at Spring Soulful Home as well. Due to all the rain, I was not able to put my tripod on the other side of my porch. I had to keep it inside and then just kind of like in weird angles. But anyway, just wanted to let you know I am just starting off with just some basic cleaning, just sweeping off my porch. We had a lot of dust and leaves, so just starting off with that first, and then I will add in the decor. So for the table, I'm just adding in some mums and these really cute squirrels that I found from Hobby Lobby. I thought both of them might have looked cute there, but I ended up changing my mind. But I do really like these squirrels. I thought they matched perfectly with the galvanized bucket that I found from Hobby Lobby as well. This area where I was adding in the hay bale and the pumpkins and the bucket, I just saw that everything was about the same height, so I went to my back porch and found a couple things such as old planter buckets and then a couple of other things just to add height to like the hay bale and then the pumpkins, so that way they wouldn't sit all the way in the bucket. I was able to use things to kind of like conceal the items that I was using to give everything else height, but in the end you could not tell at all. But just wanted to let you know why I was using those items, again just to give everything some different dimension and different heights, so everything is not all the same height. My sweet friends, I thank you so much for joining me today as I decorated our front porch for fall. I definitely hope that this brought you some inspiration and you enjoyed today's video. I would also greatly appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel so much. Also remember to watch my sweet friend over at the Mugglebees. As soon as you're done here, her link will be down in my description box, and if you're not subscribed, I would definitely love if you would subscribe to my channel. Also remember to subscribe to my sweet friend over at the Mugglebees. We'll see you again, friends. Bye-bye.